We're just wrapping up at the AOC conference at Point Mugu, organised by the Association of Old Crows, and we've had some great interactions with some of our customers. We've been showing our Proteus Arbitrary Waveform Transceiver. It's a module that you can deploy in multiple form factors. This is our field unit, and we've created some waveforms in our Wave Design Studio software, and we're transmitting those waveforms across this antenna. It's being received by another Proteus module that we have in digital RF memory mode, adding time delay and Doppler to the signal. And then we're retransmitting that to this top module here, and we're displaying the signal with some simple Python that we wrote. One of the key things is our instrumentation is really easy to program using Python and industry standard Skippy, as well as the DERFA mode in the FPGA. We also have a fully configurable digital down converter as well, where you can set filter taps, you can do frequency, different frequencies, and do FFTs and etc., all within the FPGA. So it's a super easy system to use. We know you're going to enjoy it when you're developing your next set of threats or working out what the next radar signal you want to make. And we look forward to seeing you at the Association of Old Crows in Warner Robins, Dixie Crows, in a couple of weeks. Thank you.